In the dark nights of 1971, as the Indian subcontinent stood at the brink of war, a secret mission was taking shape beneath the waves. A mission so covert, so daring that even the Navy itself knew only half the story. The Pakistani Navy had turned East Pakistan into a fortress. Their ships PNS, Ghazi, Makkah, and Karachi Express patrolled the waters like silent predators. But India had its own shadow warriors men, from the raw and naval intelligence, ready to strike from beneath the sea. Operation X, a name that was never supposed to be spoken aloud. The plan? To cripple Pakistan's naval power before the first shot of war was even fired. Raw's undercover agents were trained not in offices but in the ocean. They learned to swim in complete darkness, plant limpet mines, and vanish without leaving a trace. Every breath, every heartbeat was part of the mission. Posing as ordinary fishermen, merchants, even vegetable suppliers, these men infiltrated enemy ports. Under the disguise of business, they carried explosives instead of goods, courage instead of fear. Late one night, they swam silently across the harbor, the water around them pitch black. One by one, they planted limpet mines on the hulls of enemy ships. Moments later, boom! Explosions after explosions lit up the night sky of Chittagong. The harbor burned, and Pakistan's navy woke up to chaos. Fake vegetable orders were placed to divert suspicion. And before anyone could understand what had happened, Raw's agents had already slipped away, hidden inside the very cargo ships bound for Pakistan. The deception was complete. Even the enemy believed their own eyes that it was sabotage from within. But the truth remained buried in the depths of the Bay of Bengal, known only to a handful of men who risked everything for their nation. They called it Operation X. History calls it India's secret underwater war. The explosions in Chittagong were only the beginning. Operation X had ignited a fire that would soon engulf an entire nation. As Pakistan's naval fleet scrambled in confusion, India's shadow network moved into its second phase. The agents who once trained in silence now became the architects of liberation. Through the coastal villages of East Pakistan, a new force was rising. The Mukti Bahini. Ordinary men and women, fishermen and students, turned freedom fighters overnight. But to fight an army, they needed more than courage. They needed weapons, training, and a plan. That's where the Indian Navy stepped in. Under the cover of secrecy, Navy divers and raw operatives trained hundreds of Mukti Bahini volunteers along the eastern coastline. They learned to swim through enemy-infested waters, carry explosives beneath rafts, and strike at night with surgical precision. These were no longer rebels, they had become commandos. Every mission was a message. Every blast in a harbor, every sinking ship, was proof that Pakistan's control over East Bengal was slipping away. Meanwhile, in the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Navy was tightening its noose. Warships of the Eastern Command, INS Vikrant, INS Rajput, INS Kiltan, formed a deadly blockade. No Pakistani vessel could enter or escape. The sea, once their strength, had become their prison. By December 1971, Operation X had accomplished what no weapon could. Pakistan's navy in the east was shattered, its ports destroyed, supply lines cut, morale broken. On December 16th, Dhaka fell, and with it, a new nation was born, Bangladesh. But the heroes of Operation X never appeared in the headlines. They returned quietly to the sea, their names erased from records, their faces unknown. History forgot them, but their mission changed the map of the world. Operation X. A war fought without uniforms. A victory earned in silence. And a story that remained classified for nearly half a century. Soft music rises, waves crashing, distant echoes of sonar and seagulls. They were not soldiers in shining medals. They were shadows, men who fought where no flags could be raised. Under the sea, beyond the headlines, they carried the weight of a nation's hope. Their stories were buried beneath classified files. Their missions erased to protect the secret. But every ripple in the Bay of Bengal still whispers their names. For decades, no one knew how freedom had found its way to the shores of Bangladesh. But now, history remembers that behind the triumph of 1000, 971 stood a handful of silent warriors who chose the ocean as their battlefield and secrecy as their legacy. They were sons of the sea, guardians of a dream, and the invisible hand that changed the destiny of a nation. Music swells orchestral strings, fading into silence. This was Operation X, India's secret underwater war, fought in darkness, won in silence, and remembered forever. The the